Welcome to a new video with Mr. Math. Today's topic is linear functions, graphing. Let's take a look at the problem that we have today. Graph the following features: y-intercept 1, slope -3. Okay? So our y-intercept is 1 and our slope is -3. Y-intercept means that's where it crosses the y-axis. So if we were to write a t-chart, our y-intercept would occur at 0, 1. So let's plot that, 0, 1. So that means we go to the origin and go up to 1. So that's our y-intercept. We also know that we have a slope of -3. The slope is represented by the letter m, and it means change in y over change in x. -3 means -3 over 1. That means that for every 1 I move to the right, I will go down 3 on the y-axis. So we have our x-axis and our y-axis, and we'll start at our origin. So as I move to the right 1, I'm going to go down 3. Move to the right 1, go down 3. Move to the right 1, go down 3. So the pattern continues. So that means that if my change in y is -3, that means if I lose -3, that puts me at -2. If I lose -3 again, that means that's going to put me at -5, and so forth. So clearly we have 0, 1, and we have 1, -2, and then we have, of course, 2, -5, right down the table. All right, now we can go ahead and draw our line, passing through the points. We have answered the question. We've graphed the line with y-intercept 1 and slope of -3. Well, thanks for watching today, and I hope the video was helpful for you. And as always, we will see you next time.